Railroad Valley, Nevada, far from civilization.
Honestly, in the middle of nowhere.
Outside of Ely, in this dry lake bed, lies perhaps one of the most valuable mineral deposits in the world.
There's trillions of dollars under that surface.
But according to NASA, this playa is also the best location in the United States to calibrate satellites because it's flat, free of vegetation, mostly the same color, and undeveloped. That's the dilemma facing Carson City-based 3Proton Lithium, the company that holds most of the mining claims there. This year, the BLM agreed at NASA's request to block off the area in red from mineral exploration, frustrating the company that's trying to extract the lithium needed to build electric car batteries and fuel the green energy transition. They want to try to prove to NASA that unlike open pit mining, this won't affect the surface of the playa.
We will bring the salts and the brines up out of the ground, pipe it to a facility that's off the playa, and then pipe it back in. It won't impact what they're doing out there at all.
3PL can move forward outside of the blocked off area, but the deepest, richest deposits are believed to be in the center, roughly 60% of the site's value.
HR 3883.
Earlier this year, Nevada Representative Mark Amodei sponsored a bill to reverse the BLM's decision to block it off.
At a time when we're trying to access important rare earths and clean energy materials, if it's possible to do it in a responsible way, why wouldn't you give them a chance?
The measure hasn't gotten a vote yet.
If the surface of this land were disturbed, all the satellite imaging that public and private users rely on for important science and decision making would become essentially out of focus.
In Carson City, Ben Marjot reporting.